Why is California considering AI regulation and workforce protections? 2026. Why is California considering AI regulation and new workforce protections amid layoffs? Because mass job shifts and layoffs are happening now, and your job could be affected by these changes. Governor Gavin Newsom has ordered new workforce protections in response to increasing job shifts and mass layoffs linked to AI adoption. California, home to Silicon Valley and many tech giants, faces rapid changes as companies integrate AI tools. This surge in automation has already led to layoffs in sectors like customer service, manufacturing, and administrative roles. The state's move to regulate AI aims to manage these disruptions and protect workers during the transition. Mass layoffs are becoming a reality across California. Tech companies and traditional industries alike are cutting jobs as AI takes over routine tasks. While exact numbers vary, the trend is clear. Thousands of workers face displacement. Governor Newsom's new order focuses on providing protections such as retraining programs and unemployment support to soften the blow for those affected. The proposed regulatory framework will likely require companies to disclose AI use affecting employment decisions and implement safeguards for displaced workers. By doing so, California hopes to lead the nation in responsible AI adoption, ensuring technology benefits both businesses and employees. This could include mandatory impact assessments and stronger labor rights related to AI-driven changes. The layoffs and job shifts due to AI are hitting frontline and routine task workers hardest. Customer service representatives, manufacturing line workers, and administrative assistants are among the most vulnerable. Governor Newsom's initiative targets protections and retraining specifically for these groups to help them transition into new roles or industries. California is moving quickly to implement these workforce protections alongside AI regulations. The state plans to introduce legislation and funding for job retraining, unemployment benefits, and AI impact oversight. This initiative could serve as a model nationwide, balancing technological progress with economic security for workers. What this means for you is clear. If you live or work in California, AI-driven job shifts could affect your career soon. Stay informed on new worker protections and consider retraining opportunities early. Subscribe for updates on how AI regulation and workforce changes will impact your future.